Okay.
So for the compressor, you have 4 intake filters up here, and they're supposed to be replaced every 6 months. Along with this coalescing indicator in here, and the indicator. This filter, the desiccant tank right here, is supposed to be replaced every 3 years.
Okay.
So the easiest way to replace these is, it's a filter, so there's 2 pieces. You grab the part that's on the motor, and the part that's on the tubing is the one that you want to twist. So it's just a simple twist off, and it comes off like that. And this is the filter that you're gonna get. You put the new one inside here. Put the new one in here, and you see these holes. Line them up.
Okay.
And then you twist and they lock up.
Okay.
So you line them up, push inward. Remember, hold this side, and you twist on this side. And twist. That's it.
Okay.
That's on all 4. This one right here, and you want to do this with the motor off.
Okay.
This one right here is coalescing filter. They're all hand tightened. So we go ahead and twist this off. Comes off like that. Another twist off. And then this filter comes off. You put a new one in here, and then you line it up like this.
Did you replace those?
No, I don't have any of that. I just brought whatever I need.
Did they look like they need to be replaced?
Yeah, this one does. The indicator too here. You probably have to call someone. You can do it too. I mean, set a pair of Allen wrenches.
You have to open that up?
Yeah, you have to take this off.
Okay.
So once you get that, you put this one in here, line it up in here.
Do you guys do that too?
Yeah, we can do that too.
We just have to call you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have like a number I can call you?
Yeah, I'll write it down on your invoice.
Okay.
And that way you can talk to Debbie. She's our parts representative.
Okay.
And then I'll forward the same info to her. That way you guys can be on the same page.
All right.
We'll do that.
The other filters look okay?
You haven't changed any of them?
No.
I replaced all 4 of them.
Really?
So I replaced all 4.
Okay.
This one, and then this desiccant tank. This desiccant tank basically keeps the moisture out of your airline.
Okay.
So if you ever have water coming in your airline, it's because of this one.
Okay.
So it's kind of replacement. On the wet dry vacuum, you have 1 filter here. You're supposed to replace every year. So there's just 3 little pieces that hold clamps that hold onto it. This is the filter.
Oh, okay.
Looks like you did replace. Oh no, you haven't. You haven't. It's pretty dirty. So we'll get this one to replace.
How often is that one?
Every year.
Okay.
Yeah. Just clamp it back on. And that's pretty much it on the maintenance.
Oh, okay. Is there any way we can control the strength of the vacuum? Like more suction?
I'd have more suction?
Yeah, like just make it stronger.
I'd have to call because this is all through like laptop.
Oh.
Yeah, so I mean, if there be adjustment, I'd have to call one of the technicians that adjusted this because this is all made through a laptop, and then we can hook it up to here.
I see.
Already pre-prepared.
Okay.
And we just hook up the wires to make it run to the motor.
Yeah, because sometimes like it's not.
Like
I need it a little stronger.
A little stronger?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I'll mention it to them.
Okay. Yeah. Is that it?
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
What about this thing? Like, how often do I have to...
Oh, this one should have been... It has a line down here. Oh, you can't see it. So we usually have a line.
How often do we have to do that?
Usually it's like when it goes over that line, but you're supposed to call them. They give you the model, you give them the serial number, and they come pick it up. I mean,
really?
you should have done this. This is 260. I don't know. You're supposed to dump this out because this is all amalgam. They just put them in a bag and they come pick it up.
In your place.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.